we're going to make some pork neck bones. I'm going to cook them in the air fryer, of course. And we're going to make a base for them. I think I'm going to use both packs. I just want to get rid of these neck bones. They've already been smoked. I'm going to cook them in the air fryer. And we shall return. I'm going to season them up real good and we can see what they taste like. Okay, the neck bones are still cooking, the pork neck bones, and I got 2 cups of rice. I'm about to put in the Instant Pot, and once that's done, we get to the next steps. Okay, we got the rice in the pot, so I'm going to make the gravy, get the neck bones. We're going to mix all this goodness all up. I'm going to make some gravy. Gonna make some gravy. Make some gravy. Some gravy. Or you can use butter, grease. I was going to use, if I didn't air fry this thing, I would use the grease from it. Now I need some flour. Mix some flour up with it. This is very simple gravy. Takes only a few scones. Normally I would add water. Most of the time I would use bacon grease, but because I'm trying to eat more healthy, and bacon grease is so delicious. But this is basically a little bit of flour, some beef broth, and the flour is pretty much just used as a thickener, to thicken up the gravy. Yes, this is my smothered neck bones. So these neck bones are smoked. They consist of gravy, some onions, and some rice underneath. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this neck bone. These are pork neck bones, by the way. I wish I had some beef ones. I'm going to take a little bit of this rice with this gravy. Now, you can add as much gravy as you want to. In this case, I should have added a little bit more, but this is going to do for the test. Smoked neck bones. I've never did it with gravy before, but this gravy is not bad at all. It came out much better than I anticipated. Get a little bit of this, neck bone. The rice with the gravy all mixed together. The gravy actually consists of beef broth, a little bit of mayonnaise, margarine, and flour for thickening. This came with some onions. This is absolutely better. This is probably one of the better neck bone dishes I have made. Oh God. That is the masterpiece right there. Ron's smoked neck bones, pork neck bones with gravy and rice. Absolutely have to try it. I'll leave the instructions in the description. You try it next time. Until later.